Tell me how old I look.
50s
Yeah, you're right.
वीडियो पे वो ना वहाँ मैंने देखा हम ये अंकल का इंटरव्यू ले रहे थे तभी उन्होंने देखा What do you do for living if you don't mind sharing? Imagine you being 20 years right now, 20-year-old, and you're talking to him. What advice do you give?
Financially secured, well educated, and choose the right life partner. It is most important now in today's world.
Hi sir, do you have 2 minutes? Do you have 2 minutes? What do you do for a living if you don't mind sharing?
I'm a retired civil engineer.
How has consistency helped you in your life? What do you do for a living if you don't mind sharing?
I'm a filmmaker.
Hi sir. no, no worries. Hello. So hi guys, we are here at Bandstand, Carter Road, and this is welcome to the first video. So now we are supposed to we are here to ask some strangers, mainly the aged people, about things that they would tell their 20-year-old self. And hopefully we get to learn a lot of new things. Hopefully we get some really good insights, and let's see how this goes. Hi sir. Hi. How old are you, sir?
What is this actually?
No, this is just an interview. We are just asking around random people for advice. So how old are you? I'll get to it. How old are you?
She's sort of videographing me also.
Yeah.
You
So,
tell me how old I look.
50s?
Yeah, you're right.
54, 53, 54?
More than that.
More than that? So, do you live out here
Yes.
in Bandra?
Yes.
And what do you do for a living, if you don't mind sharing?
Yeah, I'm working. I have my own company.
Okay. And what the company is about?
We are into engineering products.
Amazing. So, I wanted to ask you what happiness actually means to you.
What?
Happiness means to you.
Peace of mind.
Peace of mind. And would you say you're happy right now?
Of course, I'm happy.
Yeah, and
When I'm meeting people like you who are shooting me on the road, I'm of course happy.
thank you. We are glad. We'll ask them also.
Yeah,
Is
he's
your
my friend actually, a school friend, and we are wearing the same T-shirt.
Yeah. We noticed you 2 to 3 times.
I was people were smiling at me. I was
No, it's
smiling at
amazing. Yeah, but you seem like a very happy person overall.
You should always be happy. So happiness is a state of mind. That's what I say.
Right. And what would you say for every 20-year-old? Like, what should these guys do?
like you?
Yeah. For 20-year-olds like us, what would you say?
Because their mentality, our mentality, is a lot of difference.
Right. But what would you?
Lot of changes in the mind, nowadays.
Right.
Cultures are changing, na?
Right. But what would you say is should be the first priority to lead a happy life? What should these guys do? What should young guys like us do?
You should. I'll put it in one word: acceptance. Acceptance of everything.
Amazing.
What is going on in your life. So you can't fight everybody. You can't fight everything. There are so many wrongs in our life also, but then we can't keep fighting everybody, na? We have to live in this world. That's a fact.
Love that answer. And if there's one advice apart from the happiness question that I just asked you, what would be the one advice that you would give to your 20-year-old self if he was standing here right now?
So my 20-year-old, I'm talking about so many years back that time.
Yeah.
So I cannot give any advice right now after going through so many years.
Yeah, so that's what matters, right? So after so many years of experience, what would you tell that 20-year-old self? Like some things that you would have, done
Forgive
better.
and forget. Don't take it there. Don't keep it there because this is only gives you your own stress.
Right.
We are spoiling our health for that.
Right.
Now we think after so many years, this is called maturity. You may call it experience or whatever you want to call it. This is what the difference we feel.
Amazing. So you,
If I myself look at the past, I see I was wasting my time. Not liking him, not liking her, not talking to him. It was all bullshit. I wasted my time. I spoiled my relations unnecessarily. At the end, nothing matters.
so you should learn to let go and learn to love without any
Learn
conditions.
to let go. Keep action. Everybody you cannot change.
Right.
Like what they say, better to wear a shoe, than to pick up the thorns on the way.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it. Simple.
Thank you so much. What's your good name, sir?
Rajesh.
Rajesh. Thank you so much, Rajesh, sir.
Shooting, but now if you can tell me.
No, it's for YouTube, so we run a channel.
Let me know when it is put on the
Sure.
YouTube. You want to
I'll
shoot that,
Yeah. If he's okay. Yeah, he's on a call.
He came down for a walk. I said, his name is Mahesh. I said, Mahesh, you're wearing the same t-shirt. लोग सोच रहे हैं, भाई हम लोग.
तो भाई जैसे ही लग रहे हो वैसे तो.
भाई जैसे ही लग रहे
You let me know when his call is done. I'll be there. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
So as you guys heard, learn to let go, learn to forgive and forget, learn to accept, and that's what will lead you to your happy self. That's what will lead you to your, to lead a happy life. So make sure you remember that. Sir, you have 2 minutes? It's just a conversation. It's just a basic conversation. So, do you live out here? And what do you do for a living, if you don't mind sharing?
Textiles.
Amazing. So, what's happiness for you, sir? in general, what's happiness for you?
Family, what else?
Family. So you think family is the most important thing.
It is.
So making sure your family lives in abundance, they are happy and they are. So would you say you are happy?
Yeah, why not?
And if there's one advice that you would like to give to your 20-year-old self, if you were facing him right now, what would it be? After facing so many, obstacles and hardships, and after going through so many experiences, what would you tell him right now?
20-year-old. Yeah, that time the world was completely different what it is presently. No social media, nothing like that. But life was much easier before than today. No, not of because in today's world you have to be financially very strong
Yeah.
to support your family. And if you have, that's the only thing.
So if you were talking to your 20-year-old self right now, you would tell him that make sure that
You are financially secured, well educated, and choose the right life partner. It is most important now in today's world. It's very difficult now to find a both ways.
so any advice to the younger generation, to 20-year-old people right now to find the right partner?
Three things: be educated, and if you have your own business, you to focus on your business. And second thing, find a right partner. Don't get rush into this today's world.
Right.
Because 20, 21 people used to get married 21. Today, early 30s are the possible right age to get settled.
And what would be like one of your tips to find the right partner? Like how do you find the right partner?
Find partner it happens.
It's all about the vibes and the
All that. It's all luck. Luck also you can say.
amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your advice. So as you guys heard, finding the right partner is the most important thing. Health, wealth and relationships. So basically इन्होंने जो बोला वो वही था. Most important things in life are all three of these: health, wealth and relationships. Make sure your family is financially secure, make sure your family is healthy, and make sure you have the right partner to build a family with. Hi sir. Hi sir. You have 2 minutes? You have 2 minutes? Just a conversation, just a friendly conversation. Do you live out here?
Yeah, 16th row.
What do you do for a living, if you don't mind sharing?
I'm a retired civil engineer.
Okay. And what would you say leads to a happy life? Like what's happiness for you?
Happiness for me is the retired life, the satisfaction I derive out of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But how do you, like as a 20-year-old, how do you lead a happy life? If you were to tell your 20-year-old self, like if you were sitting across the table with your 20-year-old self, what advice would you give him in order to lead a happy life?
Work and work.
So you can't escape the hustle, you can't escape the hard work.
Yes.
And how hard did you work in your 20s and 30s?
Since I was a civil engineer, I worked like a donkey. I did work
Amazing.
yes.
And what do you think is the best piece of advice you can give to the younger generation in order to lead a happy life right now, apart from work, like related to wealth, related to relationships? What advice would you give them?
Be happy.
So don't take life that seriously.
Yes.
Life is as it is, life is nice as it is, you should go with the flow.
Keep on working and leave it everything to
Yeah, God,
the Almighty.
That's amazing. How old are you, sir?
I'm now 84.
84, amazing. Big respect to you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. So as you guys heard, don't take life that seriously. Just go with the flow. Although, obviously, when you hear it from an 84-year-old who's living out here in Bandra, who's done so much good in his life, who's healthy, who's fit, despite being 84 years old, obviously it tells you something. Don't take life that seriously. That guy is not stressed at all. So if you looked at the footage, that guy is not stressed at all. He's enjoying his evening, Sunday evening. He's just roaming around Carter Road Bandstand. So you heard the man. Don't take life that seriously. Just go with the flow. It's okay. वो ग्रीन अंकल गए ना, दिखाओ, दिख रहे तो दिख रहे क्या? वो ग्रीन अंकल को दिख रहे हैं? दिख रहे? जाने दो, यहाँ उनको नहीं आना है वीडियो पे. वो ना वहाँ मैंने देखा, हम ये अंकल का इंटरव्यू ले रहे तभी उन्होंने देखा वो फेक फ़ोन कॉल करते और वहाँ जाके कट किया उन्होंने फ़ोन. मतलब फेक ही था. आई होप I suppose. ठीक है, on to the next. कौन से साइड से मेरे साइड? अरे हाँ सही है. चलो पूछते हैं अंकल को. Hi sir, you got 2 minutes? Just a friendly conversation. Regarding just general conversation. How old are you, sir?
82.
And you live around here?
Yeah.
And what do you do for a living, if you don't mind sharing?
I do some work.
Okay. So, if you were to meet your 20-year-old self right now, what is the advice you would give him?
20 years.
Yeah. Imagine you being 20 years right now, 20-year-old, and you're talking to him. What advice give you?
I'll give you advice. Enjoy yourself, study well, and don't go in a wrong line.
Yeah. And what is the priority that should be for your 20-year-old self?
Studies. What else? That is the main thing.
So education is the most important thing.
Too much. Education is first.
Yeah. And how important do you think relationships and health is for a 20-year-old person?
Health is, if you keep yourself healthy, then for a long time, like us, 82 years, and you'll...
Yeah, I see you are very healthy. You are doing a walk on Sunday evenings. Amazing. And what's your good name?
My name is Sundar.
Sorry?
Sundar.
Amazing, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, this is the second time you heard that you should enjoy yourself. You shouldn't take life that seriously. Obviously, coming from a personal experience, I have faced this a lot of times for a lot of years. Like, I am 24 now, and I have faced this so many times that I have taken life seriously. इतना फालतू चीज़ों में और इतना फालतू टाइम पे, and for so long. Now when I hear it from elders and people who have actually made it, like obviously living in Mumbai at any age is the dream life, right? And now that I hear it from these people, obviously you shouldn't take life that seriously. मतलब तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें क्या करना है. If you are focused on it, obviously you will make it in life. So don't be that scared, don't be that serious about life. And you will make it, obviously. Hi, so abhi I'll get back to it. Hi sir, do you have 2 minutes? Just a friendly conversation.
What?
What's your good name?
Dion.
And how old are you?
62.
62. Do you live around here?
Yeah.
And what do you do for a living, if you don't mind sharing?
I've retired, but I'm working for a forwarding company.
Sorry?
Forwarding company.
Forwarding company. Amazing. So if you were to meet your 20-year-old self right now, if imagine I am your 20-year-old self, you know, having a conversation with me, what is the best piece of advice you can give him?
Be consistent in life.
Right, consistency matters, right?
That's important. That's most important.
And how has consistency helped you in your life?
It's helped me motivate myself, to be honest, and keeps me going. Now I work for 40 years, man.
Yeah. So it kept you going and going for years to come.
Yeah, absolutely. 40 years is a long time. We work.
And do you enjoy your work, like given the consistency that you have?
I tell my teams when I interview them before they join us, there are two aspects. One, you want to come to office. The other one, you have to come to office. Choose that time.
Yeah. So you get to come to office is the biggest blessing that you can get, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Amazing, amazing. And what would you say is happiness for you right now?
For me, peace of mind. Absolute peace of mind.
And how do you get that?
I do training in the morning for 2 hours every day, still.
Okay.
And then my work ethics. And then chilling out in the evening.
Yeah. So you mean to say that physical activity is important for peace of mind?
Most physical, spiritual, and of course working.
Exactly. And how important is family to you?
Family is important, but provided you get the support and you support them. Otherwise, you have to clap with two hands. You can't clap with one hand, right?
And you would say you're happy right now, given what happiness means to you?
I'm very happy, man. Absolutely happy.
And
No
what?
regrets.
Love to know. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Have a good evening.
You too, sir. Hi, sir. Do you have 2 minutes? Just a friendly conversation. No worries. Have a great day, sir. Hi, sir. Can I disturb you for 2 minutes? Just a friendly conversation. Hi. How old are you, sir?
I'm 94. No, I'm not 94.
Okay.
I'm 54. Tell me.
54. Do you live around here?
Yeah, I do.
And what's your good name?
My name's Akshay.
And if you don't mind sharing, what do you do for a living?
I'm a filmmaker.
Filmmaker. Amazing. So I was in film line, but regardless. So if there was one piece of advice that you would give to your 20-year-old self if you were talking to him right now, what would it be?
Live in the moment.
Amazing. So the present is the most important thing, right? Don't think about the past and don't worry about the future.
You can't control any of that, and we have such trouble actually being focused and present in what we need to do. And if we can actually find something that speaks to us in terms of what we work, what we want to put our lives into, that is a blessing, and that is often a that doesn't happen for everyone. But if it happens for you, then you be present, you do the work, and you don't worry about the results of what you do. You just do the work.
And what's happiness for you?
Living in the moment.
Amazing. So you're happy right now, you would say?
I'm very happy. Yeah.
That's best. And what is the best piece of films that you have made? If you don't mind sharing, we can go have a look.
I have
on.
made?
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't made too many films. I've only made 2 films. I wrote a film called Delhi Belly.
Acha, you were a part of it?
Yeah, I wrote that film. And I'm
Amazing.
the associate director on it. And I made a film called Kala Kandi with Saif after that, which nobody watched. But that's fine too. I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you love filmmaking, you would say.
I really love it.
So would that be a part of your advice to tell the younger generation that do what you love regardless of the results?
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, it's the old saying, right? If you do what you love, you won't work a day in your life. That's the saying. And not everyone is fortunate enough to find a job like that. But if you do, or if you at least try, I think it's really worthwhile.
Actually, I have a counter saying on it. If you do what you love, you would like to work every day of your life.
You would never want to retire.
Exactly. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your
My pleasure.
advice. Thank
All
you
the
so
best
much.
to you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah. Hi, sir. No worries. Not today बोलते. जो लोग नज़र घुमा रहे हैं ना, देखो जो लोग ऐसा मेरे हाथ में माइक देख रहे हैं और कैमरा देख रहे हैं और फिर जो लोग नज़र घुमा रहे हैं उनको नहीं पूछने का, उनका डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म है. जो लोग ऐसा देखते देखते जा रहे हैं उनको पूछने का. साइकोलॉजी गेम्स. हाय सर. हाय. यू हैव 2 minutes? कोई ऐसा जॉली दिख नहीं रहा है पहले अंकल जैसा. सब लोग थोड़े ऐसे दिख रहे हैं. पर देखो ना पहले अंकल देखो ना एकदम मस्त. अभी सब. हाय सर. यू हैव 2 minutes? नहीं, जस्ट अ नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन. हिंदी या इंग्लिश? हिंदी. आप यहीं रहते हो? आपका उम्र क्या होगा? 69. और आप क्या काम करते हो, इफ़ यू डोंट माइंड शेयरिंग? बिजनेस. नाइस. गारमेंट. अमेजिंग. सो अगर आप अभी आपके एक यूट्यूब के लिए, हमारा खुद का चैनल है, तो वहाँ पे जो 20 साल के बच्चे हैं हमारे जैसे, उनको आप जैसे लोगों से क्या एडवाइस मिल सकता है, क्या सीख सकते हैं, उसके लिए हमें कर रहे हैं. तो अगर आपके अभी 20 साल के वर्जन के साथ बात कर रहे हो, पकड़ो मैं आपका ही एक 20 साल का वर्जन हूँ, तो आप उसको क्या बेस्ट पीस ऑफ एडवाइस दे सकते हो?
कुछ सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए. सबसे पहला अपने देश के लिए करना चाहिए.
और अगर आपको मौका दिया जाए कि आपके देश के लिए कुछ करने का, आपको 20 साल का होने का, तो आप क्या करना चाहोगे?
जो भी मौका सामने मिलेगा, जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा, करेंगे.
और आपके लिए खुशी क्या है?
क्योंकि सब लोग खुश रहे, आपस में लड़ाई नहीं करे.
सही बात है. और आप कहोगे आप खुश हो आपकी लाइफ में, तो आपको यंगर जनरेशन को क्या एडवाइस देना पसंद करोगे कि कैसे खुश रहे? क्योंकि आजकल का जनरेशन बहुत स्ट्रेस.
ऊपर वाले ने दिया है उसे संतोष रखे, ज़्यादा लालच नहीं करे.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू सो मच. ज़्यादा लालच मत करो, लालच बुरी बला है. अंकल डर गए थे थोड़े. ये क्या पूछ रहा है? तो पहले ही पूछा देखो ना उन्होंने, किसके लिए? चालू करो चालू करो चालू करो चालू करो रे चालू करो चालू करो रे चालू करो. हाइट ना, स्माइलिंग रहना चाहिए मुझे पूरा टाइम. हाय सर, डू यू हैव 2 minutes? ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि लोग अभी थक गए, फोकस्ड लग रहे हैं, वॉकिंग पे फोकस्ड है. हाय सर, डू यू हैव 2 minutes? नहीं है, अभी लोग थक गए हैं. हाय अंकल, यू हैव 2 minutes? डू हैव 2 minutes? हिंदी में बोलो 2 मिनट है? आपका उम्र? आपका उम्र?
75 years।
आप यहाँ रहते हो बैंड्रा में?
नहीं,
कहाँ रहते हो?
मैं उत्तराखंड देहरादून।
अच्छा अच्छा। आप क्या कहोगे? आप लाइफ में खुश हो? आप लाइफ में खुश हो?
हाँ, खुश हूँ।
क्या आपके लिए खुशी क्या है?
लाइफ में सेटिस्फेक्शन जो होता है वही खुशी होती है। आदमी यदि लाइफ में सेटिस्फाई है तो खुश है।
और लोगों को सेटिस्फेक्शन कैसा मिलता है?
आपके चिल्ड्रन ठीक हों, आपकी लाइफ में आपकी जो भी आपकी सोशल पॉलिटिकल लाइफ जो भी लाइफ रही है वो अच्छी रही है तो सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है।
बढ़िया। और अगर आप ऐसे समझते हो कि मैं आपके 20 साल का वर्जन हूँ, मतलब आप ही हूँ मैं 20 साल का, तो आप मुझे क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे? एक एडवाइस।
हार्ड वर्क।
हार्ड वर्क इज़ द की टू एवरीथिंग, मतलब हार्ड वर्क से सक्सेस मिलेगा। अमेजिंग, थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच। हार्ड वर्क इज़ द की टू अनलॉक every success. So guys, you heard everyone. This was it. This is sadly the end of the first episode. But don't worry, हम कहीं नहीं जा रहे. We'll be back soon. Maybe at the same location, maybe at a different location. Meeting new people, getting many advices from the older generation. How to lead a happy life, how to lead a fulfilling life especially in your 20s. So don't worry, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more parts are on their way, and we'll see you soon. Take care.